Well, hi, and today I wanted to test something a little bit different in terms of setup and the way I approach recording this video. Before, the way I was doing it was taking me too much time and was not very practicable, so I tried to came up with an idea that it's a little bit more quick for me to set everything up. And yeah, so this is it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment. Anyway, when I started this channel end of January, I promised to myself that I was going to post at least once a week. But I got hyped in the first couple of weeks, and then obviously the more I was posting, the less I was getting. To my surprise, the post that got the more view was the very first one, the one where I was saying out loud that I had no idea what I was doing, and ironically that was the one that got the most view and the most response. But anyway, I kind of lost a little bit of motivation, especially when you see 10 views, 20 views. I think if you're starting now and you know what I'm talking about. And then also I got busy with work. I probably even chose the wrong time in my life to start a channel. I just had a baby, so he's almost 1 year old now. So the last month has been very hectic in terms of things to do, and YouTube kind of became the last thought in my mind. But I don't want to quit, if that makes sense. Like, I just want to take probably a different approach, because originally when I started this channel, my idea was to help people and motivate them to do their own channel, because I couldn't find anything like this. All the videos that I'm seeing are talking about thumbnail, title, and idea, but there is not much about giving you that confidence that you can actually do it. And so that's what my idea for this channel is to create an environment or create a community where we support each other, when we share ideas, where we talk about different approach or different style and different whatever. So yeah, that was the original plan. For a while I was trying to come up with topics that could generate, that in my mind were going to perform well, and obviously that didn't happen. So I just want to keep this a little bit more raw and just talk at the top of my mind and just say what I feel in the moment. From the few videos that I posted, I got a few comments that really hit me. For example, there was a guy that, when I was talking about not wasting time, but let time pass and not starting this, he mentioned that for all his life he worked with leather carving. And in his mind, that's something that people don't really care about, and they will never even look at it. But for me, that's completely wrong. Like, he has the best thing that anybody could ever have, and that's 20 plus years of experience in whatever craft he's doing. And I told him, you would be shocked to see how much people will actually be interested in seeing what you have to offer and what you do, how you do it, what you can come up with. I literally showed the message to one of my friends, and his answer was like, I'll be his first subscriber. That's very interesting. So if you're looking right now, you have at least one subscriber for sure, 2 with me. So anyway, that's to say that the message that I got from this person really hit on the reason why I wanted to start this channel. And that kind of motivated me to try to do this even harder and find more people like him and tell them that they can do it. That there is no reason why you shouldn't do it. So, yeah, if you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel and you think that nobody's gonna care and nobody's gonna watch, that doesn't matter. Just start. Just do it, and you will see that if you commit and you truly are passionate about what you're doing and you want to share your experience, you will find an amazing community out there that will support you, that will care about what you're doing, and you will then realize that all your fears have nothing to do with how good you are or how much people will care about what you're doing. So just be out there, be true, be passionate, be real, and you will see that things come on their own. And just a little plug, if you are worried about how to set up the camera, the lighting, what to say, how to say it, I made a little PDF guide that you can download. It's completely free, I don't want anything in return. So yeah, if you're gonna use it, I hope it's gonna help you. And if it does, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one.